This calibration, we're going to go through the moisture sensor calibration on our series combine. You want to have the machine running, separator not engaged, header not engaged. You're going to go to main menu, machine settings, then calibrations and procedures, moisture sensor calibration, and then hit calibrate. Read through the list of prerequisites, then hit start. And it'll go through its own thing here. Good idea to do a moisture sensor calibration every year before you start. It's especially a good idea to do it on a brand new machine. But even before if you switching between crops, at least do it once per year is not a bad idea. Once it goes through its process, all you got to do is hit save and you're done.